Hello, everybody. We are here today again in New Rochelle with Jamie with this gorgeous 72 Chevelle.
How's it going?
And Jamie, first thing we're going to do is clear up any misconceptions about your 72 Chevelle.
We'll do this first. For everybody's going to hit you up and tell you you're wrong.
Yes.
This is, in fact, the 1972 Chevelle. I just particularly like the 71 signal lights better. I switched them out. So I get a lot of shit about that. I get other people that get shit when they feature me and they're like, hey, somebody told me that's a 71. I was like, no, it's a 72. I can send you the VIN number if you want to check it for yourself. It's just personal preference.
Oh, it's an absolutely stunning car. Tell me about it. Tell me about. Start with the engine.
It's a 350. I'm probably working on. I might be doing LS swap, but I'm not sure yet. It's a 350. They got rebuilt. New headers. Yeah. How's it going?
What kind of wheels are these here?
These are actually US Mag
Ramblers. Very low profile.
Yeah, definitely low profile. I had American tire for a while. I really love those, but I wanted to get away from the turbo thrust.
Yeah.
You know, that had it for years. So I just wanted to change it up a little bit. So I got these. Most of the time they have them chrome lip, but I actually found them matte with a high shine lip in black, and I just thought it suited the car better and tied it all together. All the graphics I did myself. I cut it on the vinyl myself. Mandalorian reference from Star Wars.
I saw it. I know that. My son and I love it.
That was the first one I threw up there, the Boba Fett, because I felt like this was the bounty hunter, the Mandalorian. So actually, you can even see inside. I had a grill.
Chevelle.
Yeah. That's you can find it on IG, the stickers on the window.
That's great.
This is also my new brand that I'm coming out with. I'll be marketing Velveeta, a little play on the cheese, but also Chevelle life in Spanish. So I got all my buddies. They're rocking them.
Yeah.
I'm giving them away today, but soon I'll be selling them. You know how to.
What is it?
A Velveeta.
No, but what do you?
The vinyl. These I did this myself. I designed it myself.
Oh, I got you now. Okay.
Yeah, all the vinyl I did myself.
Yeah,
all the
Chevelle
I did myself. Yes, I did this too. I also did this satin finish on the hood, just to kind of like change it up a little bit.
Yeah.
I probably will be painting the car in the next year and after the next season.
What are you going to do? Repaint it different color or same color?
I don't know. I keep going back and forth. I might switch it and go black with the orange accent. I'm not sure.
Either way, it would look amazing.
Yeah. So I had a new master cylinder put in, wheel well 6 piston in the front, 4 piston in the back. Clean up the engine bay. Still needs a little bit of work, but this was a big mess when I got it. I had to rewire a bunch of stuff, re-terminate everything, do the big 3 wiring, and put in more ground straps. I also did QA1 coilovers around the whole car.
Yeah.
2-wheeler suspension.
I see that. Yeah.
Definitely made a big difference.
Just going to ask you about that.
Huge difference. Huge difference.
Oh man, that thing she's beautiful. I watched you guys roll in together. You and Joe.
Buddies. It's always good. We kind of bring the sunshine when we show up.
You cannot miss these cars.
Definitely, man. It's a good time.
Jamie, thanks so much for sharing. She's beautiful.
It's a pleasure.
It'll be on Motormouth Nation.
I'll definitely check it out and share it.
All right. Congrats. Beautiful car.
Thank you, brother.
Thanks.